Hi everyone, Namaste. So in this video I'm going to discuss everything about sunscreen, not everything, whatever knowledge I have. So I will be discussing with you guys. And before starting the video, I want to request each and everyone, whoever is watching this video, please do apply sunscreen 365 days in a year. It's really important to apply sunscreen whether you are going out or whether you are at home or whether you are anywhere. You have to apply sunscreen each and every day. So I'll start with the importance of sunscreen. A lot of people think that why I need sunscreen, I'm already so fair, I don't need to apply sunscreen. Even if I get a little bit of tan, so it's fine with me. I already have such a nice and freaking white skin. So it doesn't matter if you're white, brown or black, it is important to apply sunscreen because it helps you to prevent your skin from that ultraviolet rays, that is UVA rays and UVB rays. So UVA rays are the very harmful rays which goes into the depth of your skin and could lead to skin diseases like skin cancer. And UVB rays like they give you diseases, not diseases, skin problems like skin burning, skin tan, because it affects the outer layer of your skin. So UVB rays lead to wrinkles, freckles and tanning and premature aging. So it is important to apply sunscreen to prevent yourself from these UVA and UVB rays. Before buying a sunscreen, it is very important to consider your skin type, whether you have an oily skin or a dry skin type. So according to that only you will buy a gel based or a cream based sunscreen. And also it is really very important to see the SPF in it and whether it has that PA, that is it does protective, it is some kind of protection. It has this PA plus or PA double plus or triple plus in it. तो ये जो plus sign होता है, तो it shows that how much protection that sunscreen can give your skin. तो अगर आप इसका SPF और PA plus या double plus और ट्रिपल प्लस देखकर ही ले. वैसे ज़्यादातर ट्रिपल प्लस के जो सनस्क्रीन होते हैं वही ज़्यादा अच्छे होते हैं एंड दैट इज़ गुड फॉर योर स्किन. तो मेरे पास ऑलमोस्ट जितने भी सनस्क्रीन है तो सब में ट्रिपल प्लस ही है और जो मैं फेस पर अप्लाई करती हूँ तो वो हमेशा ट्रिपल प्लस वाला ही सनस्क्रीन अप्लाई करती हूँ. तो राइट नाउ आई हैव 2 of the sunscreen which I apply on a daily basis, but currently I'm using this Suncross sunscreen and it was a medicated sunscreen. A doctor prescribed me this sunscreen and it gives you 8-hour protection and it says that it is for all ages. And before that I was using this Lotus Gel sunscreen. It also has this SPF 50 and PA triple plus. It does have UVA and UVB protection and it is a gel base, so it is good for oily to combination skin. But when I encountered this sunscreen, Suncross, I started using this sunscreen since October and till now I'm using this sunscreen because in autumn and winters my skin become little dry, so I prefer using this in winters. And now I'll see that if it is going to work in summers as well or not, because it works as a good primer also. So I love using this sunscreen and it has a good protection. It also has this PA triple plus thing and SPF 50 in it, and even this one has the same thing, but it is like medicated thing. And they have mentioned, the Lotus one has mentioned that we have to apply this sunscreen after every 2 hours, but this sunscreen says that this gives you a good protection for like good 8 hours. So I prefer using this sunscreen now. For body also I apply sunscreen. So I have this currently I use this Lotus anti-tan body lotion. It has SPF 25 and PA triple plus again, and it protects does it protect from UV? Yeah, it does protect from UVA and UVB rays, and it is suitable for every skin type, so anyone can use it. But जब SPF की बात आती है तो SPF 15, SPF 25, SPF 30, SPF 50, so there are so many SPF levels, like there is also SPF 90 and 75. तो जितना ज़्यादा SPF होता है तो वो उतना ज़्यादा आपको सन प्रोटेक्शन प्रोवाइड करता है. SPF 15 and 5, 10 तो वो बहुत कम सन प्रोटेक्शन प्रोवाइड करता है. तो पर अगर आपको ठीक ठाक प्रोटेक्शन चाहिए तो 50 SPF इज़ alright, you can use that one. But SPF 75 and 90 वो तब के लिए होता है when you are going to beaches and when you are almost like every day you are in sun, every time you are in sun, तो in that case you need SPF 75 or more than that. तो बॉडी के लिए भी I would suggest that you should use SPF 50 सनस्क्रीन, क्योंकि आपकी बॉडी पर भी सनरेज लगती है, और पर मुझे कोई इतना अच्छा सनस्क्रीन बॉडी के लिए मिला नहीं एंड नॉट टू अफोर्डेबल सनस्क्रीन, तो आई एम यूजिंग दिस वन. आई ऑल्सो हैव 2 more lotions for body. It has SPF 15 in it, but this Vaseline hasn't provided anything that it has any SPF in it. पर इसमें लिखा है that it has triple sunscreens in it, पर इसने ऐसा कुछ mention नहीं करा है that it protects you from UVA or UVB rays. So when I'm at home, I like to apply these sunscreen when I'm just sitting at home, but on face I don't take any kind of risk. And also I have currently bought this Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock. I have heard quite a good reviews about this sunscreen, and it is really good for every skin type, especially for oily to combination skin type. And it also has this SPF 50 and PA triple plus in it, and it protects from UVA and UVB rays, and it is also paraben free, so you can apply, you can even try this one. So I haven't tried this sunscreen yet, so I'll be trying it. I would like to request everyone out there that please do apply sunscreen, whether you are a male or female. Please do apply. A lot of men do not apply sunscreen. I don't know why they skip it, just because they think that it is a cosmetic or a beauty product. I don't need to apply this, but that is not for making you look beautiful, or it's not any kind of cosmetic. It's like you drink water, or you breathe, or you have food. So it's similarly like that you need to apply sunscreen, because you should protect your skin from the harmful rays. A lot of guys are huge admirer of Hugh Jackman, so they must be knowing that he got skin cancer several times, and now he has recovered it. And in his interview he has said that he got skin cancer because of the harmful sun rays, and he never used to apply sunscreen. तो वो खुद ये बात बोल रहे, तो आप प्लीज़ कम से कम उनसे तो इंस्पायर होके सनस्क्रीन लगा लो इफ़ यू लाइक हिम. तो उनको भी 3 बार स्किन कैंसर, वो तो इतने बड़े स्टार है, उनको 3 बार स्किन कैंसर हो गया, तो किसी को भी हो सकता है. anyone can get it. A lot of you must be thinking that how we are going to get that vitamin D if we not go out in the sun. पर ऐसा नहीं है. अभी एक कलयुग का सूरज है. It's not the same सूरज like the सतयुग, because we all are responsible for it. ग्लोबल वार्मिंग की वजह से यू मस्ट बी अवेयर ऑफ ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. तो ग्लोबल वार्मिंग की वजह से ओजोन लेयर भी डिप्लीट हो रहा है. ओजोन लेयर इज डिप्लीटिंग एंड इट्स कॉजिंग अ लॉट ऑफ हार्मफुल इफेक्ट्स in the environment. Even the glaciers are melting. So just think that what that sun can do to our skin. It's not the same time now. If you still think that it's good to sit in the sun and soak that vitamin D from it, then you are wrong, because it's going to affect your skin. And a lot of people think कि नहीं, बच्चे, छोटे बच्चे को स्पेशली, कि उसकी हड्डी मजबूत करने के लिए उसको धूप में बिठा दो. For a very short time it's fine, but to keep that child for a very long time in the sun, I don't think that is right. And even if you are keeping that child in the sun, then do it after that child is more than 6 months, क्या, ताकि 6 months के बाद वो भी sunscreen लगा सके. So if you like this video, if this video was informative, share it with your friends, and please hit the like button, comment down below, and do subscribe my channel. And even if you don't want to subscribe, मत करो यार, subscribe पर sunscreen लगा लो, ठीक है. Do apply sunscreen each and every day. Goodbye.